Okay, doing this one-handed will be fun. Welcome to a behind-the-scenes video nobody asked for. This is what I used most of the time for my perfect picture quality. This is an iPhone 4 holder, which was modified perfectly to accommodate an iPhone 5, or in this case an iPhone SE, which is the same form factor. So you just clamp it in there. Obviously the other's way around, so you can actually touch the screen, but then I had all the reflections, so I just put it in for demonstration the wrong way. So what look at this, old school, right? I had to upgrade to an iPhone XR or XR, and the reason I can't show you is I'm using this to film right now. Basically they improved it all the way. They got rid of the bulky headphone jack and they used the new space to make the whole phone bigger and so big that you have to put a plastic cover. Okay, I'm getting lost here. This thing isn't working anymore, so I had to find another way to secure it to my mount or my stand to be able to film again. We get rid of this and search Thingiverse for alternatives, and you find something like this thing. And I just improved it by adding this square part to fit the actual mount, and to add some screws in here and lots of hot glue, and then I can go to the stand and just plug it in there, and I should be good for another 1,000 videos, because this is now truly future proof. Or is it? Thanks a lot for watching.